Unlock the power of feedback analysis. Discover what your customers are really thinking. Shalex VOC blog. Overview. Feedback analysis is a process of gathering and analyzing customer feedback to gain insights into customer needs, preferences, and behavior. Benefits of feedback analysis include identifying customer pain points, understanding customer behavior, preferences, and satisfaction levels, improved customer experience, better customer engagement, and higher customer retention. Types of feedback analysis include survey feedback analysis, market feedback analysis, customer feedback analysis, and social media feedback analysis. Feedback analysis frameworks include the Kano model, SERVQUAL, and the Net Promoter Score, NPS. Analyzing customer data involves gathering and organizing customer data, such as feedback from surveys, social media posts, and customer reviews, and then analyzing it. Analyzing customer feedback involves looking for patterns in customer feedback and identifying key themes, as well as using sentiment analysis to determine the sentiment of customer feedback. Feedback reporting involves creating feedback reports to communicate customer feedback to stakeholders and decision makers. Customer feedback analytics solutions and applications help to automate the process of analyzing customer feedback and can help companies quickly identify customer pain points, understand customer preferences, and improve customer experience. Market feedback analysis is used to identify customer trends and preferences in the market. How to interpret feedback data involves looking for patterns in customer feedback and identifying key themes, as well as using sentiment analysis to determine the sentiment of customer feedback. By using customer feedback analytics solutions and applications, companies can quickly and easily analyze customer feedback and generate feedback reports. With the right approach, companies can unlock the power of feedback analysis and discover what their customers are really thinking.